Hey everyone, good morning. No, it ain't morning. Can't say good morning. It's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. We're getting ready to have some lunch. So, we got this Red Barrett classic pizza that we are going to eat. It's Saturday, so everybody's home. And we'll probably eat some veggies or something with it. Not real sure. That's Milo. Do you hear the puppy? He's a barking. And we got a bunch of snow out there. Yeah, look at all the snow we're getting. That's all so far on the table, and it's 2 o'clock that we've gotten so far. Haley's out here shoveling. Because she wanted to. Because she likes to. She always does. It's coming down finally. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but that's Milo, our puppy in there. He's in there playing and barking. But yeah, there's ice on the pond and or on the pool and all that. Water and ice. So that will be first update on the snow. Our first snowstorm. I just got done eating pizza. I had a couple people in the comments talking about Red Barrett pizza, and I tried it. It's good. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the snow. Look, Haley shoveled that off, and look, it's already on. And it is really cold out. The trampoline. Ooh, snow. Snow. The birds are loving it. They're just flying all over in the tree over there. They're just going crazy. It is awesome. Look, dogs are coming in. Come on, Max. Look. Update. Yeah, and Haley cleaned that off. Can you believe that? And it's coming down still. Yee, and I hate it. I do not like it. Tumble, I'm sending this to you. You will be getting this snow tonight. I'm sending it to you. It's all yours. It's all yours. Here's our chicken. It's dinner tonight and we'll barbecue it. Barbecue. So if you have barbecue chicken, why put seasoning on it, right? Yeah, that's what I thought too. And then we'll have this corn on the cob. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm going to put Haley trying to run. Oh, good Lord. And we are going to use not mustard. Ugh. I can't believe it's not butter on it.
Okay guys, look at the snow. This is the snow. It's like a lot. And I just shoveled this.
Yeah, like 2 hours ago.
Yeah, like
yeah, it's a lot come down since 2 hours.
2 hours ago. There's a little, you could kind of see this. You could kind of see it right over here. That was my elbow on the door. It was. But yeah, right here, it you could kind of tell like about like that much more the snows came down. But yeah, look at all this snow. Snow
Update. Can you guys tell how it's coming down? I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but it's really coming down. Haley's gotta get out here and shovel again. That's all the porch. I think we said just to wait. Just to wait until the snow's all down. It sure is pretty though. It sure is. Now you guys can get better of how much it's coming down. That's our tree over on the side. 3 trees, actually. That's got real pretty pink blossoms in the spring. I can't wait. Okay, we are getting the potatoes done. We got 3 done. And we're gonna get these on to cook. Haley got her Ipsy bang. That's where, you know, that stuff is. But look at this pretty pink they put it in. I was just going to show you guys just a few things that she got in it. Not giving details or nothing. She'll do the details on her channel. But that's a pretty bag, huh? And she's got some things inside. She's got in there a little few makeup things. You get 5 items. You get this for $10 a month. It's pretty pink inside. So yeah, so Haley got that. Okay guys, here's my chicken. It's been on for a long time. I think it's done. It smells done even. Got the potatoes back there going away. See, I got my wooden spoon that helps absorb the water. The bamboo does keep it from boiling over. And I just got the corn in. Just got the corn on. Okay, the chicken is done. Now I'm just going to throw some barbecue in it. We like the barbecue to look cooked. You hear a little crunchy crunch, that's me. She's eating her dinner. She likes to eat her dinner about the same time we do. She does. And what I do is, first I want to scoop out all that nastiness. Lid back on it. Let it cook a little bit while our corn on the cob's cooking. Like so. Okay. Put the lid back on it and let it get all nice and warm. Let's go over here. A few dishes to put in the thing. Got the potatoes done. Looking good. Got, put ranch in them. And there's the corn going away. We did. A little bit of ranch. Yummy. I'm gonna put some more butter in them, I think. They look a little dry to me. I like butter in mine. We love butter in ours. Okay. Well, that corn's a cooking. It's looking good. We love corn on the cob. So yummy. Corn on the cob is. Okay. So dinner's almost ready. Okay, making Tim a nice plate. Haley's done over there and got hers, so now it's Tim and I's turn. We're just having potatoes, barbecue chicken, and corn on the cob. And that's what we're having for dinner. Hold on. It looks good, don't it? And there you have it. I don't know what you guys could see, what you couldn't see, but Tim and I's plates. Corn, potatoes, and chicken. There you go. You gotta be careful because your corn will roll off. Sponges in the house. Guys, I'm working with a lady. She also has a YouTube channel too. Want some good merch, so it's gonna be good. You guys are gonna love it as much as I do. Bon appetit, let's eat.
Mr. Skyball.
Okay guys, cutting this down. This is how I cut my corn off. I got one of these corn things. You know, you've got two to stick on the end to eat it. I always just cut mine off. So much better, less messy, don't stick in your teeth.